Shanta Rao, a classical dancer from India, 1930 to 2007. Shanta Rao was a notable dancer from India. Shanta Rao was a contemporary of Bal Saraswati, Rukmini Devi, U.S. Krishna Rao, Mrinalini Sarabhai, and others. That was the era of the revival of classical dance. A brilliant, prominent dancer, exponent of Bharatanatyam, and one of the early women who took to studying Kathakali at Kerala Kalamandalam in the 30s. Shantara was a name to reckon with. Later on, in the 50s, she studied Kuchipudi under Vempati Chinna Satyam, and Venkatachalpathy Sastri initiated her into Bhama Sutram rituals. It led her to create Bhama Nrityam. Hailing from Bangalore, a Saraswat Brahmin, Shanta was the daughter of parents who were freedom fighters. Their home in Bombay in the early 30s was a meeting place for the non-violent rebels of 1931 of the civil disobedience movement. Shanta was also a joint secretary of Students' Union in her school in Bombay. Poets, painters, and musicians also used to meet at her parents' residence. Indeed, a very unusual young woman, she studied of all the forms Kathakali, a prezo of male dances. She undertook rigorous training under the great Kathakali maestro Ravindu Menon, who taught her this difficult, strenuous art. She made her debut in 1940 at Thrissur before a critical audience consisting of Nambudris and Kathakali experts. She also visited Sri Lanka the same year and studied Kandayan dances under Guru Gunaya. She also studied Bharatnatyam. She went to Pandanallur village to study it under the great master Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai, who had taught Rukmini Devi, Ram Gopal, Mrinalini Sarabhai, and other contemporaries of Shantarao. She made her debut in Bharatnatyam at the Music Academy in 1942. Hers was the most unusual style, forceful, powerful, dynamic. Those not used to such style used to get a shock watching her Bharatanatyam, for it was vigorous and energetic, as critics used to observe rather masculine. In the book Dances of India by G. Venkatachalam, published by Nalanda Publication at the Bombay University Library, there were articles and live sketches on many dancers, including Shanta Rao. Later on, in a booklet, Srimati Shanta Rao, written by G. Venkatachalam, her friend, philosopher, and guide, which gives some more information. It was published in 1948. And of course, The Other Mind, a book by Bal D. Zoet, in which there is an entire chapter on her. In 1958, at Jai Hind College near Churchgate in Bombay's Indian National Theatre, INT had arranged a performance of Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam by Shanta Rao. Shanta's fame had spread far and wide. She was invited by the legendary violinist Yehudi Menuhin to perform at his Festival of Windsor in 1964. Well-known impresario John Coast also arranged her performances abroad. She toured USA, UK, Israel, Germany, Japan, Nepal, and several other countries. She received praise world over for her unique art and many awards. She performed in Delhi for the Golden Jubilee Swarna Samaroha Festival of India's Independence in 1997, organized by Sangeet Natak Academy. She permitted the Academy a few excerpts of her performance to be video recorded. Perhaps that is the only recording of her dance one can see. Former director of National Institute of Design NID, Ashok Chatterjee, a devotee of Shantarao, has written a book, Dances of Golden Hall, a biography of hers with excellent photographs. Thus, Shantarao was exponent of Bharatanatyam and also studied Kathakali and Kuchipudi. She was recipient of Padma Shri given by Government of India in 1971 and Sangeet Natak Academy Award given by Sangeet Natak Academy, India's National Academy for Music, Dance and Drama in 1970 and Kalidas Samman for Classical Dance of Government of Madhya Pradesh for 1993-94. Shanta Rao was born in 1930 in Mangalore and lived in Mumbai and Bengaluru. She died on 28 December 2007 at her home at Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Thank you.